Hi guys, and welcome back to class. In our last class we discussed video transitions and how to use them in your video edits. So in this lesson we are going to be discussing video effects and what it entails. So let's jump right in. Before I start, I would be using project files from our last class, so you just need to stick with it. You need to reopen it if you save them somewhere else. So let's jump right in. What are video effects? Well, video effects are tools that let you change the look and feel of your video, like making colors brighter or adding really cool effects in your video edits. So it's like applying filters on photos and making them look a little bit more cool and fun. So if you would like to go around video effects, or if you would like to make a little bit of change to your videos, you have to jump right into the effects panel. You need to look for the effects panel. One of the easiest way to actually look for the effects panel is to come right here where you have this arrow that sticks out. Then you click and you go to effects. So in effects, you have various kind of effects. So when you open the effects panel, this is what you have. So you just need to come down to video effects. There are a lot right in here. You can blur your video, you can change the color of your video, then you can adjust and do a lot of things, and it can really get technical at some point. So one of the things what we'll be working with in this video is the adjust levels. So we're going to be working with the lighting effects, and let's see how that makes the video cooler. So I'll be dragging this and dropping it into our video. So if you would like to edit any of this effect, if you would like to make major changes to this effect, one of the things you are going to get fond of is the effect control panel, which is at the top right corner right here. So in this effect control panel, this is where you change and affect all parameters, everything you would like to change in your effect for the video edits you're about to achieve. So one of the things you can always do is to drag to the left or drag to the right. So you left click, hold and drag any value you see to actually see what it feels like to change it. So when you drag it and you reduce it, you can see what effect this is making. So I like to make this a little bit much more cinematic. So I'll be reducing the color. I like to go for a darker and deeper dark tone. So for the surface gloss, you can go down right here and you'll be expanding on this. You can see how that changes right in the middle of what we are working with. Then surface material, you can always make it either brighter or darker. So I'll still be going for something darker, of course. Then for the exposure, majorly, I would be seeing what that changes make. So should I make it deeper or brighter? Actually making it darker, so it looks like a haunted story that is being told. So another effect we can always try as well on another clip is the blur effect. So let's see how that works. So the blur effect right here, you just have to click down in the draw down menu, then you click on Gaussian blur. So when we drag this and drop it, we go back into the timeline, go back into the effect control panel, and we click on the Gaussian blur. So on this Gaussian blur, we're going to be seeing different parameters we can use to effect change on this clip. So we're going to be adjusting, or we're going to be playing with the blurriness of this clip. So we're going to be left clicking, we're going to be holding, and we're going to be dragging to the right or to the left. So we can see what changes that gives us in Premiere Pro. So if you look at the program monitor, you can see your clip as a gradual blur. So many a times, one of the things you can help yourself with is when you go out to shoot and you could not achieve some effect, one of the things you could actually do is come into post-production while you're editing and effect these changes. So you can always tweak and make a little bit of change to your footages. So as well, you can also make your video black and white actually. So that one would be in subsequent videos. in intermediate and advanced levels. So well, you can always play around any of these effects. If you do not know anything or if you are confused, if you get trapped along the way, you can always use your Ctrl Z or Command Z button to go back and retrace your steps. So always try different effects to see which one you like best. And too many effects again can make your video really look messy. So just add the ones that make it look better. So in our next class, we're going to be discussing the effect control panel majorly and how to use the effect control panels efficiently. So bye for now. See you in the next class.